Hello guys, and welcome to another video. And today I'm just going to be showing you guys the updates, which you guys probably have seen, but just in case you haven't, I'm going to be showing you. Okay, so the news, somewhere in here. Cerberus are here. The legends are true. Cerberus once roamed the lands of Jamar, and after years of being considered extinct, they've returned. Cerberus are also known as... What does that say? What does that say? What? Smilodons are famous for their blade-like teeth and their jaws that can open as wide as 130 degrees. What the hell? These Asian cats are sure to make a big impression in Jamar. I don't know enough Germans. Fortress fortified. Oh, there's a cruise party. What? The event have already best the best. I haven't even done any. A new challenge arises. The Phantom Fortress now has a hard mode. The cruise ship is back. The cruise ship party back. What did I just say? The cruise ship party is back and ready to set sail. Grab your buddies and don't get left behind. I'll do that. Refer a friend. No gym is better with buddies. Now you can, you know what? This is actually gonna be boring, so sorry. Just gonna be random and going to a party. You can see that. Not even a party has even started. Okay, we're going to another party. Some science arcade. I hate science. Okay. Well, I don't really hate it. I mean, I like it. Oh, it's supposed to be. Why is some? You know what? I'm just gonna go back to my house and do random things. See, look. Play Wild. I'm not on Play Wild, guys. Why would I be on Play Wild? Somebody else, of my buddies. Invite a friend. I want to invite a friend. I gotta invite out. Are you well, Bella friend? I promise you. Give me gems. Look how much. I only have like 300. Wait. Guys, let's do this. Let's do what I've been wanting to do if I can. To get a Twitch channel. Try and do this. Probably won't have enough because I like have 100. Yeah. Where's the new one? Okay. I'm gonna look for all the animals. I already have an eagle. I don't have an elephant. An Elaluz. What's the flippin' thing? God dang. Oh, it's up here. There's a llama. Dang it. I love llamas. I've got one of these. Sabaroof. Guys, once I earn enough, I promise I'll make a video about it. I just gotta, I'm just gonna do my own thing. Guys, stalk all my friends that are online. Everything, I'm gonna go to our den. You ready? Do what I want, how I want it. Dang it. Damn, so beautiful. I'm just gonna appear at everybody's den. Being like, what's on the menu? Is she AFK? What's on the menu? Okay. Hi. Bye. Jammer 68 DYM. She's definitely not it. Dang it. This fox will be no idea. She sees I wanna. Where's she gonna farm? Nobody can notice me. Actually, guys, how much gems do I have? Oh crap. She's. Ooh. Run, run, run. Cannot be seen in here. Hi. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna see. Go on a trade. She has a flower on trade. Oh my god. Okay, which color? Yes, I so trade. Trade a rare. Please don't decline these. These are rare. These are 2 rare items. Please. What's up with she? Is she wearing a body or something? Oh, she must be good looking. Let's trade you. Guys, all I want right now. She has a spike on trade. It's a rare. She's gonna definitely decline this. I'll give her.
There's money in your account.
This. Give her nearly all the stuff. I'll give her this. And I'll give her this. There. Done. 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 Done.
No, doesn't matter.
Aww. Bye. Technically, that was my cart. Where am I going? I'm in the book. Supposed to be in comment on something. One of my friends is in it. Okay, you know what? Get to a not Cerberus. The things, I'm addicted to them, and yet I don't even have one. I'm getting one. I promise you. There we go. Nobody tracked me down. And there you have it, guys. Technically, this random video.